everyone, Johnny this here. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be preparing yet another high protein shake without using any protein powder. If you're watching this right now, let me know that you're alive, that you're doing well. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know where you're tuning in from. I know a lot of you guys are coming from places like India, the US, Canada, Brazil even. So let me know where you're from. Seriously, leave a comment right now. I'm waiting for it. I reply to everything. Do it. Anyways, let's get started. So today I'm going to be preparing a shake that only consists of 6 ingredients. And it's going to be extremely simple and also very budget friendly because a lot of us don't have access to protein powders right now. Some of us prefer not to buy them because they're more expensive. And right now with the situation worldwide, shipping is a little bit of a mess. So we can't really get our hands on protein as easily as before. So this should be really good for you. Now, it's gonna be a little bit strange because we're gonna be using tofu, which is pressed soybeans. But the good thing is that this is available worldwide. I know that a lot of people are a little bit afraid of soy and soy milk, but trust me guys, I've been eating soy my whole last decade and no boobies are developing on me. And if you're a soy hater, please leave your studies that prove that soy is bad for our health in the comment section below because I know that that doesn't exist. So do your research, don't just believe me, go out and do the research yourself. Soy is one of my favorite foods and we're definitely going to be using that today to make some extra gains. I'd say this is 100 grams. I don't know what this is in ounces, but I'll put it on the screen. So I'm going to throw that in there first, along with 1 cup of soy milk. You can use any milk that you choose. The reason why I'm choosing soy milk, as you guys know from the other videos, is because it's really high in protein and it tastes delicious. So I'm going to put 1 cup of soy milk in here, along with the tofu. So at this point it's just a soy shake, that's all it is right now. But we're going to be flavoring that up because this is unsweetened milk and the tofu itself is very plain in flavor, it doesn't taste like much. So we're going to be adding some fruits and berries to enhance the flavor of these ingredients right here. Next up we have half a cup of frozen strawberries. I like using frozen rather than fresh just because the smoothies are even more enjoyable in my opinion if they're cold. Super refreshing after a workout. So that's what I prefer. I'll throw that in there. Then we have 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds. If you've been watching these high protein recipes in the past, you know I'm a big fan of hemp seeds. Hemp seeds are just amazing. Great source of omega-3, zinc, iron, and taste delicious as well. So I'm gonna put these into the mix. And then we have the fruits left. So got 1 medium banana, not quite ripe enough yet, but all the bananas that we're getting in stores now are completely green. So it's really hard to find ripe bananas. So, this will do just fine, I think. So the riper the better, the more spots on the banana the better. A lot of people think that the spottier, the more rotten and more disgusting. So I'm gonna put that in there. And then we have half a banana. Then we
John, that's an apple.
Then we have half an apple, last piece of fruit going in, the last ingredient as well. So usually I don't put apples into smoothies, but because we want to keep it budget friendly, apples and bananas in general are going to be the cheapest fruits available. So I'm super excited to see how this tastes. I have a feeling it's going to be really good. First, we're going to be adding a little bit of water though, so I think I'll do maybe 1 cup of water in there. Now let's blend it. Right, it's looking very beautiful, light pink color, my favorite color, not really, but and it almost fit perfectly into this glass. Tasted really good. I mean, this is the first ever time I think, maybe not the first time, but it's one of the first times I've ever used tofu in a smoothie, and I can't taste it. Like, it doesn't ruin the flavor or anything like that. As I said before, tofu is really mild in flavor and super high in protein. Really, easily boosts up your protein content in a smoothie like this without protein powder. And yeah, it tastes really good. If you want it even sweeter, you can add a date or 2 medjool dates into it to make it even sweeter because it's not like super sweet because we added only 1 banana and half an apple. All right, Catherine, get in here. Got a taste test. As always,
really excited to try
let's see the ultimate judges here.
Yeah, it's not bad.
See?
It tastes like strawberries. It doesn't have a strong flavor at all. It's very like mild in flavor.
Mild. I don't see anyone disliking this smoothie basically
because it's really like mild and natural, like neutral.
Yeah, neutral and natural.
Neutral and natural.
Yeah.
Better than protein powder.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so the ultimate judge is here as always. Noah, gonna try the smoothie out?
Try it.
Yes.
Yeah, you want it in that one?
Ready? Go. Yeah, I think he liked it.
More?
High five.
Good job.
Woo! Whoa! So I figured why not analyze the nutrition content of the smoothie right here and you know, protein amount, etc. real quick. So let's go into it right now. Okay guys, so I added the ingredients to Cronometer.com, great app to track your food and the nutrition in your food. So as you can see here, the calories came to 478 calories with 29.4 grams of protein. Actually, the tofu that we got is higher in protein, so it's more like 31 grams, but let's just say 30 for the sake of this video. 55 grams of carbs, 20.5 grams of fat. Really good score considering it's just, you know, a meal or a snack, something that, you know, is just a very small part of your diet, but you can see that this small meal really boosts your nutrition for the day. Same with minerals. You can see you got a lot of calcium, a lot of copper, iron. Iron actually almost completely filled up, which is amazing. Magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, selenium, loads of good stuff. Zinc here as well. You can see already that we hit our omega-3 intake for the day with this smoothie, which is amazing thanks to the hemp seeds. And then we also have over half of our protein intake for the day here, which is about 30 grams. And this is for a average sedentary person, not a bodybuilder or anything like that. But still a very solid amino acid profile, which is amazing considering we're not using any protein powder at all. Anyways, that's it. I hope you try the smoothie recipe out. It's really, really good. And also, if you want more recipes, not just smoothie recipes, I do have an ebook that is going on for free right now. All you have to do is fill out a questionnaire. No strings attached. You're not going to be spammed with email series or anything like that. Follow the link in the description box below. And if you're looking for workout plans, meal plans, home workouts, you can also find that linked below as well. So thank you so much. Don't forget to share this video with a friend who needs to know how to make delicious protein shakes without any protein powder and with natural, healthy food. Anyways, see you soon. Peace out.